Hey everybody, it's Cord from Cody Media. Wanted to talk today about how to tell stories about your food. And if you've picked up the Restaurant 365 marketing planner, one thing that I like to use a lot of is show behind the scenes how you make certain things, how you make desserts, how you make drinks. And it really all comes down to storytelling. And a lot of people think stories, we have to write like a big story and have a script and all that. No, you don't. I'm here to tell you don't. Stories have three things. There's three things. They have a beginning, a middle, and an end. Some stories are thousands and thousands of pages long, like Game of Thrones, right? Some stories are 10 pages, 3 pages, if you think of a book. And so stories don't have to be long things that you put a lot of time into. So let's talk about how to tell the story of your food. All you have to do is show the beginning of you making the food, the middle, and then the end, what it looks like. And it's a story. So here's an example. And I recorded this and didn't even show anybody's face, didn't have to do a lot of planning, and I'll just let this play. And basically, we're just showing how the guacamole is made, right? We've got the avocado, and you can see it's still, in chunks. And if I were to do this, I would probably speed this up because the video is about a minute long. But you can see, and then by the end, right, it's guacamole. Okay, and so it's got a beginning, it's in pieces, it's got a middle, and it's got an end. It's done. It's so simple. Let's look at another one. This is how to make. They make these taco burgers. Okay, so we start with like the shells. We add the sauce. We add the beans. We add the meat. We add the cheese. More stuff, and then we cut it up, and they garnish it, and that's the end. Story. It's so simple. So don't overthink it. Think about how you can tell stories about your restaurant. And again, this goes back to ideas from the Restaurant 365 marketing planner, like showing how you make certain things. So simple. All you have to do is get your camera out or get your phone out and just hit record. And again, you notice both of those didn't even show the face. All we're showing is like the hands, what they're doing. Super easy. You don't have to spend a lot of time, have a script, do a lot of editing. You can see both of those had zero editing, no editing. So you don't need to have a lot of advanced knowledge. You can literally hit record, show how you make the pizza, show us, get the dough, we put the sauce on, we put the toppings on, we put the cheese on, we put it in the oven. And here's a ninja tip. If you want to do a pizza, show how it's all put together, but before you do that, put one in the oven so it's done. And so it's kind of like, I think of like the cooking shows. So we make the pizza, put it all together, put it in, and be like, oh, and here's what it looks like when it's done. And you pull out a finished one. Again, it's a story. It's got a beginning, middle, and end. So easy to do. So that's all I have today. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments below. Or if you have a story that you've done, I'd love to see it. Share a link below, and we can all check it out. So I will talk to you all soon. Hope you're having a great day. Later on. Bye.